I didn't know.
He's home with the kids.
Ah,
Come.
that's what they all say. I don't
Like,
judge.
see little 2-year-old on here. He
Yeah, you can do this. Ah! He almost didn't make it. Man. All right, step on down there. This is right number 1. Oh.
Uh-oh.
I didn't.
I'm gonna really screw you up.
Never know what
I'm
happens.
gonna really
He's a
screw you up.
Hamilton.
I'm a Hamilton.
Well, it's kind of awkward. There you go. Run and jump there. Fling yourself off. That's terrible. All right. You were right.
Right, Hamilton.
Right, Hamilton. Oh man. What was that? You know what? Every time one of those rings, an angel gets his wings. It's kind of like, well, it's spring now, right?
It is.
All right, step on down there. Pretend you're a caterpillar. You've been in hibernation. And now you're going to take your flight as your butterfly. All right, spread your wings. Ready? Okay, back. All right, go my butterfly.